Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll provide information on how to install Python and set up your development environment. Python is an easy-to-learn and use programming language. Therefore, for many people who want to learn Python, it's important to set up the right installation and development environment. The first step is to download Python. Go to the official Python website at python.org and click on the Downloads tab. From there, you'll see a list of available downloads for different platforms. Choose the version of Python that is compatible with your operating system and click on the Download button. The download may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, run the installer. The installer will guide you through the installation process. Follow the prompts to install Python on your computer. If you are working on Windows, make sure to select Add Python to Path, so that you can run Python from the command line. To check that Python is installed correctly, open a command prompt or terminal and type Python followed by the Enter key. You should see the Python version number displayed. Now that you have Python installed, you'll need an Integrated Development Environment, or IDE. An IDE is a software application that provides an environment for writing, testing, and debugging code. There are many different IDEs available for Python, but we recommend PyCharm by JetBrains. PyCharm is a powerful and easy-to-use IDE that is great for beginners and experienced programmers alike. Go to the PyCharm website at jetbrains.com/PyCharm and download the Community Edition. The Community Edition is free and open source. Install PyCharm and follow the prompts. Once PyCharm is installed, open it and create a new project. Congratulations, you're now ready to start programming with Python in PyCharm. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into Python syntax and start writing some code. Thanks for watching this video on installing Python and setting up your development environment.